A very nice question based on your slant height and surface area of a cone. So first of all, I hope you know the lateral surface area or the curved surface area of a cone is given by pi r L, where L is the slant height. Now, what are they saying? They are saying find the ratio of the curved surface area of the second largest segment. Second largest segment means this surface area to that of the smallest segment of the cone. This is the smallest segment. So, smallest area. So, let's call this as area 1. Let's call this part. So, if I extend this, it's going to be like this. So, this entire surface area I need. Let's call this as area 2. So, my area 1 is pi. Radius of the base here is 1. We already know. So, it is 1. Into slant height is L1. Area 2 is pi into. Now, the base area, base radius is 3 pi r into the slant height is L1 plus L2 plus L3. But this will give me the full surface area which I don't want. So what I will do is I'll subtract what I don't want. So what I don't want is I don't want this surface area. So that is the top two, these two I don't need surface areas. This surface area I don't need. So I'll subtract it. So pi into this base is 2 into now L1 plus L2. Okay. Now if I take out, so A1 is like this, A2 is like this. So A2, if I try to simplify, this will be pi, I will take out common. So I will have 3 times L1 plus L2 plus L3 minus 2 times L1 plus L2. Now don't try to open the brackets for L1 and L2. What you try to do is observe the two triangles now. So if I draw this, I'll draw which two triangles I'm talking about. Look at this. So this part is L1 plus L2 and this is L3. So which means I've drawn only this line, and I've drawn this line. That's it. Now look at these two triangles. These two triangles are similar. Why? Because this is 90, this is 90. These two are parallel lines, so these two angles are same. And of course, this is the vertex which is common. So they are similar triangles, which means I can say, so this is DE and this is FG. So, and this is A. So what I can say is L1 plus L2 plus L3 by L1 plus L2 ratio of sides is equal to FG by DE. This is similar triangles property. Ratio of sides are in same proportion, which means FG is 3, DE is 2. So I have the ratio of L1, L2, L3 by L1 plus L2. So take out L1 plus L2 common. So A2 equal to pi into L1 plus L2. Take it out common. So you will have 3 times of L1 plus L2 plus L3 by L1 plus L2 minus 2. And we just saw what is this. This ratio is 3 by 2. So pi times of L1 plus L2 into 3 by 2 minus 2, which is equal to pi times of L1 plus L2 into 9 minus 4, which is 5 by 2. Now we have A2 and we have A1. You have to find the ratio. So they are asking you to find this ratio. So we need basically, what do you need? I will just erase what is not required here so that I can create some space. Okay, you just have to bear with me a little bit, creating a little bit of real estate, as they say. Yeah. So now what I want is I want A2 by A1. So A2 by A1 is pi L1 plus L2 5 by 2 by pi L1. Pi gets cancelled. You will get L1 plus L2 by L1 into 5 by 2. Now this again you can get by looking at the triangle. I'll change the color so that you can follow what I'm saying. Look at this triangle here. Okay, so if I draw this triangle and one more small line here. So this is my L1, this is my L2, this is 1, this is 2. So here again these two triangles are similar. So I can get L1 plus L2 by L1. So basically I'm saying this length by this length should be equal to, now this is the bigger side triangle, so bigger side base 2 divided by smaller side triangle, so smaller side, here this is the base, which is 1. So 2 by 1. So this is 2 by 1. So 2 gets cancelled, it is 5 by 1. So the answer is option D. Now, this question, if you ask me, I would definitely not say it is easy. It is not moderate also because it will take a little bit of time. So, ideally, I would say this will be not difficult, but yeah, just below the difficult level, but above the moderate level.